In this video, we are going to be discussing 5 types of intelligence people don't talk about. 5 types of intelligence people don't talk about. Now, when we talk about types of intelligence, the 3 most common ones are intelligence quotient, that is IQ, emotional quotient, that is EQ, then social quotient, that is your SQ. But in this case, I'm going to be adding 2 to them, so making 5, and we're going to be discussing what these 5 are all about. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adegola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I'm so excited that you show up in this video. So make sure you like this video. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe button, okay? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave it at the comment section of this video. I really appreciate your time, and I tell you what, I don't take it for granted at all. You know, the goal for this particular YouTube channel is to drive it to 50,000 subscribers this year, and I'm counting on you to make that happen. Yes, you. So smash on that subscribe button, subscribe, and I'm going to be giving you 5 seconds to do that, even as we dive into today's video. So welcome back. So let's dive into it. The very first one that most people talk about is the IQ, intelligence quotient. Intelligence quotient, you know, when we're talking about IQ, is the measure of your comprehension ability, how to solve maths, memorize things, and recall subject matters. You know, that is what we deal with when we go to school. And you and I know that the traditional school system has actually failed us. Okay, when you get tested at school and you score 30%, they tell you failed. You failed that test, you failed that class. If you score 40, they tell you, okay, you know what, you have failed. What they are testing at that particular time is your IQ. Okay, it's your IQ. And for my studies, I've discovered that most people, even with low IQ, okay, end up getting, successful in life, becoming successful in life. So I don't know who, somebody must have told you that you have low IQ, but trust me, we are discussing 5, right? If you have low IQ and you still have these 4 IQs, that I'm going to be talking about, it's going to really help you. So the second one is emotional quotient. Emotional quotient. When we talk about emotional quotient, is the measure of your ability to maintain peace with others. You know, your ability to maintain peace with others. You know, keep to time, be responsible, be honest, respect boundaries, be humble, genuine, and considerate. This is EQ. This is emotional quotient. Some people are just perpetual late comers. Anywhere they go there late. That person has a low EQ. Some people are just proud, okay? They don't know it for any bad thing. All what happens is they have low EQ. Their emotional quotient is very, very low. Some people find it difficult to respect boundaries. To respect boundaries, what they have lacked right there is emotional quotient. So what you need, number 1, you need intelligence quotient to be successful in life. Number 2, you need emotional quotient, that is EQ. Then the third one is social quotient. Social quotient, this is the measure of your ability to build a network of friends and maintain it over a long period of time. Have you noticed that some people find it difficult to keep friends for longer time? Maximum time is maybe like 3 months or 1 year. Those people actually lack social quotient. When you have a good social quotient, you discover that you're able to keep friends for longer time. You know, before, when the measure, talk about your success in life, talk about your net worth, they used to look at the money you have in your bank account, your investment. But right now, social influence is put into consideration when we're talking about your net worth. Okay, how many followers do you have, you know, on Instagram? How many subscribers do you have on YouTube? How many subscribers do you have in your email list? How many fans do you have on Facebook? How many followers do you have on Twitter? And all of this, you know, add up to your net worth. Okay, Someone says that the poverty is not really a lack of money or lack of good friends. So social content is very, very important in your wealth creation journey. We're talking about intelligence quotient, that is IQ. We talk about emotional quotient, that is EQ. We talk about the social quotient, which is SQ. Then number 4 that most people don't talk about, most people don't talk about this at all, is, we will continue with that in a second, just immediately after this commercial break.
Are you ready to change your financial status this year? You are invited to Money Mastery. How to make, manage, and multiply money with Dr. Emmanuel Adegbola. Emmanuel Adegbola is an apostle of change, motivational speaker, and a minister of the gospel. You can't afford to miss out of this show. Join Dr. Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, every Thursday on Facebook and YouTube. The time is 7 a.m. Central Time. That's 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 4 p.m. in Nigeria, and 3 p.m. in London. There's a wealthy place. There's a pathway that leads to the wealthy place. Dr. Emmanuel is ready to show you how to get there. Are you ready?
All right, welcome back. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then leave your comment at the section of this video, and share this video. Share it 10 times. Share it with your friends. Okay, we want to drive this subscriber of this YouTube channel to 50,000 this year, and I'm counting on you to do that. Okay, so do me a favor, subscribe even as we continue with this video. So number four types of intelligence that we discuss is the adversity quotient. The adversity quotient is the measure of your ability to go through a rough patch in life and come out without losing your mind. Without losing your mind. If you have very high EQ, your adversity quotient, even if you are in trouble, you go through tough time, you still come out stronger because you have, your adversity quotient is very, very high. Have you just seen people that went through trouble and before you do it, they went into depression, and some people even end up in a D, you know? So, but when you have, very high EQ, it helps you to go through rough patch in life and come out without losing your mind. And of course, the last one that you really, really need in wealth creation is what I call the financial intelligence quotient. I've searched online, I've never seen it of that nature. I know Dr. Robert Kiyosaki talks about financial IQ, but doesn't really define it that way, like financial intelligence quotient. So Wikipedia defines financial intelligence as financial, intelligence is the gathering of information about the financial affairs of entities of interest, to understand their nature and capabilities and predict their intention. Come on, that is too much grammar for me. Just forget about that. Let's define it in a very simple term. Okay, financial intelligence in a very, very simple term is you understanding money. Understanding money, period. The act of you understanding money is what we mean when we talk about financial intelligence. We are talking about financial intelligence where you know where the money is hiding, what is money, how do you get money, how do you convert money to wealth, how to make money, how to manage money, how to multiply money, and so on and so forth. Those are what puts together to form your financial intelligence. In a journey of wealth creation, we talk about three ingredients. We talk about financial intelligence, we talk about financial discipline, and we talk about financial planning. As one of my authors will always say, if you are not informed, you will be deformed. If you are not updated, you will be outdated. If you are not inspired, you will expire. If you are not in the know, you cannot be in the flow. So I hope this makes sense to you. I've put together this particular content also in the blog post. So right there, when you get to my blog, you'll be able to read through right there. Just go visit my blog, Financial Intelligence Test. There's a video right there that will show you also how you can check your financial intelligence IQ. Take the test and see if where you are. In the test, This particular video will go over how to test your financial intelligence. Okay, once again, I'm so excited that you saw this video, and I hope you take action. Don't just watch it, make sure you take action. And as you begin to take action, I look forward to see you at the top.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.